Stop until the knee. Open the cover. This hand you put outside. This hand too you put outside. And double palm. Straight finger. Straight. Finger straight. And then press. One by one go back down alternative. And then we are gonna stretching. 1, 2, 3. The other leg. 1, 2, 3. And then middle. 1, 2, 3. And then after that oil.
Okay.
I can directly you make a video on the bed.
Yes.
Yeah. Continue with oil. You make a video.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then continue oil. Okay, oil. I not press too much, ya Nina. And then zigzag, zigzag. And then you start from rise, going up, open, middle up, release down, circle the lower back, slide it. You can do 3 times this one. And then knuckle slide. 1, 2, 3. And then sliding alternative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then good thumb 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then circle. 1, 2, 3, and then circle lower back. 1, 2, 3. The other side. 1, 2, 3, and double. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 time rise. And after that, ketchup. Put oil your elbow little bit. And then ketchup. Release down. Release. And then maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stroke up. Move the other side. Release down. Release. And then kneading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stroke up. Move the hand. And then palm scapula 6 times. Knuckle 6 times. Thumb slide 6 times. Slide up. Go to shoulder 6 times. And then release 6 times too. And then continue directly the other side. Palm 6 times. Knuckle 6 times. Thumb slide 6 times. And then thumb slide up 6 times too. And then release 6 times. Continue. Move the other side. And the last. 1, 2, one more time, and 3. Good. Take to normal position, and then palm on the top to remove the oil. Finish.